Ayan. Ang sarap. Okay, the best yung lasa ng pizza natin. Ang galing mo, Pia. Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today, we'll be learning on how to cook Hawaiian pizza with bacon. So, I'm so excited na matutunan kung paano nga ba gumawa ng Hawaiian pizza. Alright, let us now welcome my guest for today for our Hawaiian pizza making. May I call on Pia. So, Pia is coming grade 5. For this schooling and she's studying in Pathfinder School. So Pia, ready ka na ba to teach me how to make Hawaiian pizza?
Yes.
Yes, alright, okay, so let's start this. By the way, this is Billy. Right. Billy, say hi to everyone. Yeah, alright, let's start this. So for the toppings, okay, we prepared 1 medium-sized can of pineapple chunks. Okay, so actually, kinat ko siya into half para mas marami tayong magamit for our Hawaiian pizza. I already pre-cooked our ham and at the same time yung bacon natin. So kahit na hindi siya masyado crispy, para mas masarap at mas malasa yung Hawaiian pizza natin. So I cut it into small squares or cubes. Next, we have quick melt cheese and yung usual na cheese na ginagamit natin, palaman. Ayan. So, na-shred na natin siya. Na-grate na natin siya. Ayan. And then, of course, optional, we do have the white onions, okay? Sweet pizza style. Ayan. So, madali lang naman hanapin yung mga ingredients natin for the toppings of our Hawaiian pizza. So, tapos na natin ilagay yung pizza sauce. Ilalagay naman natin yung cheese. Okay, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, so yan, quick melt cheese. Yan, spread nyo lang. Make sure na balance yung dami ng cheese around our pizza. Next is yung ham and bacon. Sa paggawa ng pizza, kailangan artistic ka rin. Kailangan balance yung paglagay natin ng mga toppings. Yahoo! So, yung mga meat natin, ito yung nagdadagdag ng taste sa pizza. So, hindi pa man siya luto, parang masarap ng tingnan, di ba? After the bacon and ham, lalagay na natin yung pineapple. Ayan. So, syempre, pag Hawaiian pizza, pineapple is very important. Ayan. To complete the ingredients. Yahoo! So, with Hawaiian pizza, masarap siya. The best siya para sa mga kids kasi it's a combination of saltiness and sweetness sa napanlasa. Ayan. So, this is good for everyone, lalo na sa mga kids. Di ba, Pia? Ayan. Ayan, nakikita ko na, oh. Pwede na bang kainin ba? Okay, after no, pineapple natin, this is optional kung gusto niyo rilagyan ng onions on top of your Hawaiian pizza. Put this, Pia.
A few moments later.
So we're done with our toppings, with our Hawaiian pizza. Ayan. So ready na siya na ilagay natin sa convection oven. Ayan. So, Pia, gano'n ba natin katagal ilalagay siya sa oven?
7 to 10 minutes.
And 7 to 10 minutes. Tapos ready na natin kainin itong Hawaiian pizza. Let's go! And ready na yung oven natin. And make sure for your safety, wear your pot holder. Okay?
A few moments later.
It's already 10 minutes. So, luto na yung Hawaiian pizza natin. Let's check. Ayan, okay. Tingnan natin. Ang bango! Ikakat na natin yung pizza natin. Check nyo. Yahoo! Yun, ang bango. Alright, okay, so tapos na yung Hawaiian pizza natin with bacon. Okay, so right now, ikakat na namin yung pizza. And then we're gonna check kung masarap pa yung ginawa natin. Do you think masarap ba, Mia?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's try this. Ang bango! Sarap! Yahoo! So, malalaman natin kung talagang masarap. Okay. Try it first, Pia. Don't forget to hit the like button,
Subscribe.
and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang video namin. Okay, so thank you so much, Pia, alright, for helping me to make this Hawaiian pizza. Try this as well, everyone, in your house, especially sa mga kids, okay, sa mga walang ginagawa. This is GCQ. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye!
A few moments later.
Pagsapalaro ko na sa dough. Okay, so next. If you wanna...
Go.
Sarap, okay. Okay guys, so if you would like to learn more about food, okay, sa next vlog namin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, okay? At hit na rin ang all for all notification, okay? So,